Hey there, YouTube. I keep hearing them doing the stupid shenanigans. Is that them? No, it can't be. I just want to be quietly on my tablet and where I could be nice and snug in my room without having to worry about stupid drivers. They really tore up the road. I just want to whip their heads off. I don't care if kids are listening, but you all have to understand. There are kids living in this area and I care about them. I mean, I babysit a few of them. I mean, they're a bunch of angels compared to some of the teenagers, the older ones. Hey, Peaches. Well, big gig on YouTube. See you later, bye.